Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to show you how to make these sweet peas. So what you do is, I'm only cooking one pan because it's me. You want to rinse off your peas and then you want to put them back in there. Then you want like 2 inches of water over the peas. So now we're going to season it. I put a little garlic powder, a little seasoning salt. Oops, I don't know how this ain't coming out. Hold on, y'all. Some Mrs. Dash. Onion powder. A little pepper. You're gonna sprinkle you in a little sugar. Hold on, that want to come out. Then let's get us some butter. About a half a stick of butter. I got my phone in my hand, so y'all excuse me for this, but it's okay. That's about a half a stick of butter. Margarine butter, they all work the same. So you want to turn this on low and let this cook. Put a lid over it. This didn't come with a lid on my pot, so I'm gonna put some aluminum foil, put a lid on it on low, and cook about 30 or 40 minutes. Then we're gonna come back. As you can see, it's cooking. The water's almost absorbed. It's almost ready. Then we're going to taste them. Okay, you guys, we are finished. Look at these. They smell so good and taste so good. See how that water cooked down? And it cooked it just perfectly. 30 to 40 minutes on slow. Make sure you just put the stuff I told y'all to put in. And you have you some sweet peas. But now let me enjoy my little dinner. Y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know how y'all making y'all sweet peas. But I gotta go. I'm hungry. Bye-bye.